Keep that bitch to the side.
It might boil up. Hold on. As long as it's cooking the right meat, it don't matter.
Yeah, real. Let me see.
Good, just a little bit more. Look at that. Turkey bird. I guess we'll just eat the bottom of the bird. A bitch won't kick to the side. There's enough in there.
No, because it's on that.
It's on that platform. You can see the bottom of the bird. Oh, it's dropped down a little bit.
Oh shit!
You buried. You supposed to put a lid on it? I don't think so. What's the temperature at? Does it say it? 3.
Damn. That's a hell of a fryer.
I think it's hot as fuck as hot.
Knock it off.
I think it's supposed to come out. Steamed it out, otherwise it's blow it. Maybe put it in and put that through there. Yeah, so it's supposed to be with water. Well, it probably is now that you put the bird in there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, just stick it through the hole. It's hot.
We can put this on YouTube now.
Yeah. Look at the turkey. Look at all kind of shit in there. Lobster.